Good morning, students. So, we were doing active and passive voice. In previous video, we have completed the features and also we have talked about how, according to tenses, the verb change or how the sentence are being formed. Now we have to continue with exercise number B. Rewrite the following sentence in passive voice. Okay, so Jumman waters the plant every day. He throws the weeds away. He digs the soil. He also plugs flowers. He also plucks flowers and collect them carefully. You may start this way. The plants are watered by. Okay, so we have to rewrite this sentence in passive form. Okay, this sentence is given in active voice and we have to write it in passive voice. So our sentence would be, our answer would be B form. The plants are watered by Juman. Then what is said? He throws the wheat away. So the weeds are away thrown away okay, the weeds are thrown away by him. Then he also plucks flowers. So, sorry. He digs the soil. So, the soil is dug by him. The soil is dug by him. He also plucks flowers and collect them carefully. So the answer would be the the flowers are plucked and carefully carefully sorry and and collected carefully by them. Okay, so beta, please take down the screenshot. Okay, now let's move on to another exercise, that is exercise number C. So C part is rewrite the following sentence in the passive voice. Once again, you have to rewrite the sentence into passive voice. The teacher uses that cubicle. So the answer would be C first is that cubicle is used by the teacher. Second one is Mahesh sketched the map. The map the map was sketched by Mahesh. The map was sketched by Mahesh. Another sentence Another sentence is Ramesh had borrowed some money. So the answer to this would be some money. Some money had been been borrowed by whom? By Ramesh. Okay. So now take down the screenshot. It is money. This is money. Some money had been borrowed. I hope the board is not shining. Okay. I hope all of you have taken down the screenshot. Let's move on to the fourth sentence. So, fourth sentence is Neha is selling fruits in the market. Fourth is fruits. Fruits are being sold in the market by Neha. Okay, fruits are being sold in the market by Neha. Fifth sentence Ramu was growing apples on the orchard. So, apples were being grown in the orchard. Apples were being grown in the orchard. Sixth part is Dinesh will paint a landscape. So, sixth part is a landscape will be painted be painted by whom? By Dinesh. Okay. So, beta, please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot. Okay. So, seventh part is Nora was playing cricket. Nora was playing cricket. So, cricket was being played by Nora. And the last sentence of this exercise is a group of scientists is conducting a survey. So, a survey is being a survey is being conducted by a group of scientists. Okay, a survey is being conducted by a group of scientists. So please take down the screenshot, students. Okay, I hope you have taken down the screenshot. Now, let's move on to another heading, change of verb form. Okay, in passive voice in different kinds of tenses. So, how verb changes in passive voice depending upon the tense. So, our next heading is change of verb forms in passive voice in passive voice in different kinds of tenses. Okay, so this is our heading, and in this heading we would be doing the first part, that is what? Simple present tense. So in this heading we would be doing simple present tense. Now, when we were doing tenses, we have already discussed what simple present is, or what tenses and what are its type and what each type is meant for. Okay, so active call or calls, passive is, am, are called. Okay, so in simple present tense, you normally, an example is given, you generally say call or calls. But when you are making a sentence in simple present tense, when you are making a sentence in simple present tense, the verb would be is, am, are, with what? Called. Okay, so the sentence given below in the simple present tense and is in the active voice, note the changes which is rewritten in passive voice. For example, Ridhima eats biscuit every evening. Okay, so simple present tense, a habit is being described here, and verb first form. So Ridhima eats biscuits every evening. So in this verb is verb first form. Now when we are changing this active voice sentence to passive voice, the sentence become biscuits are eaten are eaten by excuse me. Okay, by Ridhima every evening. Okay, so biscuits are eaten by Ridhima every evening. So eats become are eaten. Okay, depending upon the subject, the verb changes. So here singular is the subject, that's why, sorry, plural is the subject, that's why plural verb is being used. So in simple present tense, when we change the verb, it is, am, are. Okay? I hope it is clear to you. When in simple present tense you are changing the verb, it begins with either is, am, or are. Okay? Now let's further move on. Let's move on further. There is another exercise, that is D part. Fill in the blanks with passive voice of verb in simple present tense. Now you have to fill in the blanks the in passive form, but keeping in mind simple present tense. Okay, you only have to use verbs in simple present form. Indian Premier League matches dash play by many teams. Indian Premier League matches. So, in a simple present tense, verb begins with is, am, are. So, here Indian Premier League matches are played by many teams. Okay, are played by many teams. Another sentence, all the swimmers dash by experienced coaches here. Okay, so all the swimmers are trained are trained by experienced coaches here. Another sentence, the earthquake victims dash shelter and food by the government. The earthquake victims are provided shelter and food by the government. Are provided shelter and food by the government. Another sentence, the student dash now for a magic show to be held in the hall. So the students are called now for a magic show to be held in the hall. Wait a second, board is shining here. So are called. Okay, now please take down the screenshot. Please take down the screenshot. Okay, let me rub it off so that we could continue with the last sentence of this exercise, that is fifth part. The Republic Day dash enthusiastically by all Indians. The Republic Day is celebrated enthusiastically by all Indians. So, the Republic Day is celebrated enthusiastically by all Indians. Okay? So, is that clear? All of you? Please take down the screenshot. Okay. I hope all of you have taken down the screenshot. Now, beta, There is another exercise of this particular heading only, simple present tense. So we would be continuing in the next video from this only. Till then, your homework is to do the exercise given below. Do the exercise. Homework is, wait a second. Your homework is do the exercise E, F and G given on page 95. Am I clear? You have to do the exercise EFG. Okay? So students, till then, bye bye. Take care.